What is going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to be doing an LED conversion. We have a premium LED light kit from AliExpress, so let's go ahead and just do a quick unboxing and get this going. Here we have a company called PineTree. I got these premium LED kit from AliExpress. I'm sure you could get it on Amazon, but these are way cheaper and it's pretty good quality, I think, so far. I mean, just unboxing itself has a ton of, it has rear dome lights right here. It's basically, I think it's like an 18 LED kit, 18. So you have vanity mirror lights, and your trunk lights right here. You have your map lights. Wow, they label it. You have your dome lights, you have your door lights, you have your spare lights, you have your license plate lights as well. So only lights that they don't include are the reverse lights and also the, I guess, the LED rear reverse lights. So we are going to be trying to install it, and then I'm going to install, I guess, a little bit and give you guys a before and after comparison between the stock incandescent halogen lights versus the LED conversion kits and see how it is at night. So before, let's go ahead and get this going. So there's two notches. I think you just try to get under it. There's one hinge right here and another hinge right here. Try to get that going. And the other hinge is right here. So this pops out. Wow. Pretty simple. Like that. And then it comes off like that. Alright guys, so moving on to the license plate portion of the LED conversion. This, in my opinion, is the hardest part, so just stick with me. First, I want to apologize for the wind noise because my phone was actually out of battery, so I had to disconnect the mic. But here we are, we have to remove the housing, and from here, I just had to go ahead and try to remove this without marring up the paint. But basically what we have to do is remove the housing unit itself to make things easier. And here you can see that I'm trying to explain that removing the actual housing unit altogether will make life much easier when replacing the incandescent bulbing. So from here you can see that you have to, there's the same type of tab, you have to push it inwards and downwards to release the housing, but it's very difficult if you have it recessed all the way up in the hatch. So try your best, but good luck. From here, I'm just gonna remove this weather stripping, the foam weather strip, like here, and then remove the clear housing around. I just don't want to drop it. I'll do this. Yeah, just much better. Yep, much better. Try and put this like that so you guys can get a better look. Here's a foam stripping like so. Alright. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just remove it. Move from side to side. I think this is how you remove it on the side. Like that. It comes out. Just take it out. Like that. This is not easy, the trunk lighting actually. Removing the whole trunk lighting, the license plate lighting, I'm sorry. That was not the easiest thing, but we're done. Alright, so now to plug everything back in. Like that. And it should, well, first we're gonna try to see if it works. Alright, so it definitely works. Good stuff. We're gonna put this back on. Alright, I'm gonna pop this back on. Alright guys, so another one of these modifications done during the daytime. I did the trunk lighting, the overhead. What I did was I left a couple of incandescent light bulbs inside the interior, and the next clip you're going to see, we're going to be at night, and we're going to do a comparison between the warm tone to the cool LED lighting tone. Alright, here it is, PineTree, and the next clip you're going to see, we're going to be heading on into the night, and we're gonna do a full-on LED conversion to see what the difference is. Is it worth it? Let's go. All right guys, so it's very chilly, but I wanna show you guys the before and after. This is the nighttime. We're into the night. Let's go ahead and just open up, reveal the interior light LED conversions. Without further ado, here it is. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a surprise right here. And right here, right directly once you open the sliding doors, you got your LED lighting here, and you got your incandescent warmer tone to the lighting right inside. We are going to zoom in, give you guys a look, a better look. All right, and do like a pan out, and then we are going to walk towards the car. All right, there you go. And we'll do the same thing. Flip this down. All right. Well, actually, I shouldn't do that, right? I'm gonna turn it off because of the beeping. Apologies for that. That's our actually power on mode. So here you go. Right here. Wow, I got so much to show you guys. So much lighting. So much lighting to go and deal with. But here it is. I will turn on the lighting here. Well, I really want to show you guys the trunk lighting, but I'll do that after. Let's go ahead and just do a walk around. Let's go handheld. Right, here we go. Alright guys, so let's go handheld. I'll try to go be as smooth as possible, but there's a surprise for you right there. A projection light. We got your LED and your regular stock ones on the right for the vanity lights. Same thing with the passenger side. One quick note, I didn't do the dome lights, the map lights right here. It's staying at the stock factory bulbs because it's actually soldered in to the circuit board. So even though the kit comes with these dome lights, you have to actually take them out, and I don't really want to mess with that in case something short circuits. So unfortunately, here's another look at it. It's gonna stay like that. It's gonna stay pretty yellow, right? But overall, that's a stock one versus the LED right above here. Right, I'm gonna go over to the other side. But as we go closer to the back, you can tell the difference between the LED and the stock. So much brighter. The black interior lights up so much more. It's pretty nice. What else am I missing right here? I'm gonna show you guys the passenger side of the puddle lights on the door. So this one has the LED projection shadow lights, right? Walking to the back, I want to show you guys the hatch, right? And there you go. This is way different, way brighter, right? I don't have a before clip. I'm going to try to find some clip before. I think I did a walk around where this is very dim. I didn't even know this was actually here, so flush against the headliner, right? But with the LED here, it does light up the rear hatch. But in the future, I'm going to do something about installing, retrofitting some aftermarket lights here. Anyway, the third row light is there, and the trunk lighting is there, the hatchback lighting. All right, and then we're gonna move on to the front, and there you go. That's the door, the puddle light on the door. That one is from the PineTree kit as well. It lights up the floor very well. Complements the puddle light on the mirrors right there. And here's the difference between the LED on the second row and the yellow light right above. And again, here we see LED, LED, LED. And I think that's it. What I'm going to do is I will try to shut the driver's door so that it doesn't beep. And then from there, I'm going to show you guys the trunk lighting. All right, so hopefully it stops. All right. And here's the interior. And here how it's looking inside from the outside in. Looks pretty nice. All right. And here are the headlights with the DRLs. Okay, and finally, looking inside, I'm gonna shut these lights as well, shut the doors. Actually, I'll leave the doors alone. I want to show you guys the license plate lighting. But one last look at the kit itself right here. PineTree premium LED kit. All right. Heat resistance, power saving, long lifespan. I definitely highly recommend this one. Has a 1-year warranty. And yeah, I'll link the product information in the description down below. But here it is. Right, I'm gonna shut. I'll give you guys a look. Right, so it definitely goes in and illuminates the rear very nicely. Even the stock kit illuminates the floor pretty good. But here you go, the difference between the LED and the stock. Alright, and that is it, guys. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.